Replacing the cabin filter. It's been a couple years and look how dirty that is. So first thing you gotta do, empty the glove box. Glove box just goes like that. And the two latches you gotta take out is this guy and the one to the right. Use a screwdriver, and here's a screwdriver. Just pop it in here and then you can push it out. And all you gotta do is take out this clip that holds the glove box, and it opens up this cavity. And once you open it, you'll have to pull these cartridges for the air filter, and then that's what you get. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is closes the filter. All you have to do is push these tabs and pull it this way and it'll just come out. Anyways, got these new, see if you can see it, new filters. See, it's nice and clean compared to that. So we're gonna put that in and make sure there's a directional flow, airflow, in comparison to the airflow. Make sure it's the same direction so you get the best out of your best performance out of your filter. Okay, so I noticed something about these filters. You can't just drop it in. It looks like both of them are installed properly, but to maximize your filtration, that's the word, what you could do is you could see this latch area. Make sure you overlap this piece, the paper, over to that piece, and you make sure you do it at the end as well, just like that. Here, I already did this overlapping with the use of just a screwdriver, and you can see, oh, it's that focus, you can't see through it. It's latched on, and if you look at the back of it, there you go. You see the plastic is now hooked onto the paper, and that will give you your maximum filtering. All right. It looks like the filter comes with an instructions on how to replace your filter, but hopefully this video you also find informative, and hopefully it helps, or at least you had some entertainment value out of it.